To create a QR code for a PDF file using Socially, start by visiting the Socially website and accessing the QR code generator. You have two options. If your PDF is already hosted on a platform like Google Drive or Dropbox, select the URL option, paste the shareable link, and generate the QR code. Alternatively, if you'd like to upload the PDF directly, log in to Socially, click the Add button, select File from the drop-down menu, give your PDF a title, and upload the file. Socially.Network offers two types of QR codes, static and dynamic. The static QR code displayed for each item on the edit page is permanent once shared. It will always link to the original content. The dynamic QR code, found at the bottom right of your profile, is a short URL to your entire profile, showcasing all the content you've set to share, including PDFs. This dynamic code can be updated or edited at any time. Initially, all content is hidden for visibility, and you can make each item visible by toggling the small red button next to it. If you choose to share your complete profile using the dynamic QR code, Socially allows you to track the number of visits, providing insights into viewer engagement across all your shared content. Now you're ready to share your PDF as a QR code, enjoying flexible control over your shared materials.